guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you what it's like to be a delivery partner with Amazon Flex. So as you can see behind me, I've got all the parcels loaded up, all ready to go. I've picked up the Amazon station in Bella Vista and I'm currently on my way to our first stop, which is in Lane Cove. Today's shift is a 4-hour block and it's paying us $146, which is not bad. I reserved the block probably like an hour before the block start time, so generally it's about $126 a shift. That's the usual rate. If a shift comes available an hour before the shift start time, they generally up the prices, so you know, it's more incentive for us to do the work. Alright guys, so here we are at the first stop. It says deliver one package. You can just click I've parked. And once you've clicked I've parked, you can see the description of the package. So we got a medium box, M for medium, and then we got the code U81. That's going to be the yellow sticker that we're going to look for. So this is my boot with all the Amazon parcels in it. Usually I try to like to organize them. Like I have small boxes here, medium boxes over here, and then just the large boxes at the back. And then I have this basket here that have all these small parcels here. And that just makes it easier for me to identify what kind of parcel I'm looking for, whether it be large, small, medium, or envelope. So we're looking at yellow tags here. That will give us our reference number. We don't have to look at the white tags or anything like that. So we're looking for U81 and it's a medium sized box. So let's have a look. Hopefully I can find it quick. Yep, it's this one here. Beautiful. And it's great that it's on the top. So once we got the package out of the car, we can just scan it. I'll make a beeping noise. It's in a safe place to put it. Anyways, all we need to do is just take a photo. Oh, hey, how's it going? Just an Amazon parcel.
Thank you so much.
No worries, have a great day. First parcel done, easy as that. So this one here is showing package and then it's got a little question mark next to it. So what that means is it doesn't come in its original Amazon packaging. So usually you'll have Amazon packaging that are like just in these normal cardboard boxes. They're all the same color but just different sizes, and they all have the same tape on, and these will be marked small, medium, large, and that's it. But when you have a parcel that has a question mark against it in the app, it will be something like this. It's not original Amazon packaging. It looks completely different. Even this too, not original. So that's just an easy way to identify it. So it's 518. Let's see if we can find it. Oh dude, I just squashed a snail. Sorry buddy. Here we go, 518. Toilet paper. So that's 26, 21. Oh, did I go the wrong way? Maybe I did. I thought it was 26 to 21, not 26 and 21. See that sign? Ah, 25's here. Sure it's out of the rain. Scan it and take a photo. Alrighty, so here you can see we have an envelope parcel. As you might guess, it's gonna be a parcel like this, and the number is U90. Let's find it. There we go, first parcel. So here I have all my envelope parcels, and there's a certain way I actually organize this. So as I put them in, by following the yellow tags 532, I generally number them from either lowest to highest or highest to lower, at least in that order. It's because when you go to deliver the parcels, you actually deliver them in a numbered order. Also, some parcels, they start with like a U. I just put them all at the back. But that's just an easy way to organize, and it saves you heaps of time. Alright, so when it comes to apartment deliveries, it can get a bit tricky. I'm looking for number 15. That's number 8. And then that's 16. And that's 18. So yeah, it can get a bit confusing. Sometimes the app isn't as great. So it's telling me it's over here, but the address says it's in a different location. So sometimes I have to go on Google and just put in the address and see what Google says. Oh, I think I've delivered here before. It was in my history. Yeah, it's on the other side. But yeah, the Amazon Flex app for navigation isn't the best. It's generally okay, but sometimes here and there, it'll just take you to the wrong spot. Oh, it smells good. Someone's cooking some noodles or something. If you're working, it's raining, that could cause a whole new load of issues because you're not supposed to leave parcels in the rain. Otherwise, you'll get customer complaints. Oh man, those noodles smell real good. Alright, we're here. So yeah, normally with apartments I can't just leave it there in case someone else steals it, so we'll give them a call. And I just showed up. Hopefully they're home.
Want to go in?
Thank you for that. Oh, no worries, you're welcome. And yeah, if they're not home, you're kind of screwed. Gotta return all the parcels back. But depending on what area you're delivering in, I generally just leave it there and it's okay. Never had any issues, but I've been a Parramatta once and pretty much on almost every single apartment door it says do not leave packages. Heaps of people probably steal packages over there in that area. Right, on to the next one. Alrighty, so let's have a look. So we've done 11 packages so far and it is about 1.5 hours into the shift so far. So still got another 26 to do. Alright, one thing I like to do is just look at the street number before I get there so I can kind of gauge where I'm going. It's 91, got 95, 93, and then 91 should be here. Yeah, 91. Here we go. Yes, got it. Alright, envelope again. Easy. Damn bro, man's house is falling apart. So usually when you deliver you get a route. Here you can see I have numbers 16, 17 and 20, and you can see number 18 has got this, is blue, and it's got a little clock next to it. That means it needs to be delivered by a certain time. So here it needs to be delivered between 9 AM and 5 PM. It's already past 5 PM, but we'll see what happens. And usually this is done because of businesses, because they close at 5 PM. So they obviously want their parcel before 5. But I don't think this is a business. I generally check this before I start. And if it looks like a business, then I'll probably prioritize that one. But yeah, there's a little explanation. And yeah, this is the map. And then you can see all the parcels I still need to do. Alright, it's starting to rain now. Tell me this is open. Yes. It's raining, it's wet, it's cold. I'm running across the road. Alright, so Amazon will also tell you if there is a dog on the route. So hopefully you guys can see that. It says be aware of a dog at this location. Then it says gate unlocked, open from inside the gate. It's almost like they're inviting me to get eaten by a dog. We'll see. I'll sacrifice my life for this video. Oh my god. The door is open as well. Oh, hey there. Sorry, just the Amazon parcel, sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. Is it I will give it to you? Yeah. Alright, nice. Have a good one. This is the last package, guys. Hey guys, so that was the last one. And then sometimes at the end of your shift, it will come up with a little survey. This one says, do you feel safe on the road during your delivery block? Bro, sometimes I do, but man, that one was bad. What is your main safety concern on the road during the delivery block? Delivering to unsafe areas. Alright guys, there you have it. That's the end of the shift. 15 minutes for the end time of the shift, so only I finished 15 minutes early, which is terrible. Usually I get to finish like an hour early at least. Probably rate this delivery about a 3 out of 10, man. Like, 1, it was raining. 2, a lot of wear and tear on the car from all the hills and stuff like that. And yeah, 3, some of those driveways were messed up. Like, it was pretty dangerous even just being down there because it was so wet and slippery. But anyways, we delivered all 40 parcels that we took. That's a good thing. We delivered all the parcels, which means I don't have to go all the way back to Bella Vista to return them. So that was heaps good. I think when you deliver, you have to leave some time in case you have to return a parcel. But in this case, I got pretty lucky. I didn't have to return any, so that was good, even in the rain. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new about Amazon Flex delivery drivers. Maybe you'd like to try it out yourself, or maybe you just like watching us suffer in the rain like this for minimum pay. But yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Laters.